Good afternoon. Duanueratan Bash, Masal Khair, and congratulations to all of us on a rain-free ceremony. Welcome to the 12th commencement of the American University of Iraq Suleimani. AUIS is as special today as it was on the day it was founded 16 years ago. How is it special? Its independent board of trustees helps to ensure academic freedom and an inclusive view of community. Though the university is privately governed, it works for the public benefit. It is not for profit, with no owners or investors. It invests all of its student tuition revenues and all other income in its students. AUIS provides a broad education to all students in science, mathematics, history, government, and language that helps our students grow not only to great managers and great employees, but also one day, we hope, into great citizens. At this momentous ceremony, we thank our founder, His Excellency Dr. Barham Saleh, the 8th President of Iraq, for his vision and leadership in creating the university, and we thank his wife, Dr. Sarbah Saleh, a plant scientist who created the living art on our campus. We also thank our talented faculty from 20 countries who introduce our students to other times and cultures, to new ideas and how to think clearly, windows that I hope will always let sunshine into your lives. We thank our staff who make it a pleasure to learn on campus as well as online. Our trustees, led by Board Chair Dr. Jill Derby and Vice Chair Mr. Kamran Shaban, have been steadfast in their support of the university. Other trustees here today include Dr. Barham, Ms. Sherry Kram Talabani, and AUIS alumnus Sheikh Saad Taib. Many officials and institutions in the Kurdistan Regional Government also receive our thanks for helping you graduate today. They include the Ministry of Martyrs and Anfal Affairs, headed by His Excellency Abdullah Mahmoud Mohammed, and the Ministry of Education, headed by His Excellency Dr. Alan Hama Saeed Salah. The Minister of Higher Education and Scientific Research, His Excellency Dr. Aram Muhammad Qadir, and his ministry team receive our special thanks today for approving new programs at AUIS in artificial intelligence, robotics, international relations, cybersecurity, pharmacy, dentistry, human relations, and digital marketing, all that will help keep our students' professional skills relevant in a changing world. We thank the Suleimani Governor, Dr. Haval Abu Bakr, and the workers and departments of the city of Suleimani, a UNESCO creative city, who provide the vital services of civilization that we often take for granted but should not. We thank the members of the Peshmerga and the security forces who keep our city and our campus safe. Outside the Kurdistan region, we thank the Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research and the Ministry of Interior in Baghdad for their support of AUIS, which is officially recognized as a university not just in the Kurdistan region, but by the federal government. We provide a heartfelt thank you to the people and government of the United States of America, represented here by the U.S. Ambassador to Iraq, the Honorable Alina Romanowski. She's joined by Consul General Erwin Hicks, Jr. The United States provides vital grant support that makes the U.S. education more affordable and increases the number of students from all across the region and rest of Iraq. Because of this support, 80% of our students pay less than the full cost of their education here, and 23% of our students, almost 1/4, come from outside the Kurdistan region, from every province in Iraq and from many other countries. This provides the geographic and cultural diversity that enriches education for all our students. In 2021, under somewhat stressful conditions, The United States government and the government of Qatar helped the government of Iraq and the Kurdistan Regional Government to bring 110 students from the American University of Afghanistan to our campus for a study year abroad. The U.S. and Qatar have generously funded the cost of these students' study at the university and have assisted in arranging and funding continuation of their studies in other countries. Today, as in our unusual dual commencement a year ago, we've invited a senior administrator of the American University of Afghanistan to award that university's diplomas to several graduating Afghan students who are with us today. We thank all the other governments, institutions, businesses, individuals around the world, including many here today whom I've not named. These people and institutions believe in the AUIS mission and have been extremely generous in providing financial support for this education of our students. The government of Italy, for example, funded the Medical Sciences Building, which has been a cornerstone of expansion of our new programs in medical and health sciences. Germany, Britain, France, the European Union support faculty research in entrepreneurship, arts and culture, gender studies, and international relations, as well as our educational outreach to underserved communities throughout the country. Please join me now in thanking all of the individuals, companies, and governments who have so strongly supported our students. Students, always please remember that not only your loving families, but many friends, some of whom you've not yet met, all believe in you and have helped you. This is true regardless of whether these friends and families are in the Kurdistan region or the rest of Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Europe, or the United States. You have friends now around the world. Congratulations, AUIS students. Your graduation today opens the door to a wide world of possibilities. May all that you have learned at this university, inside and outside the classroom, be the foundation of a life full of joy, achievement, and contentment. Thank you.